so here is how we calculate the points. So West River had 8 people that placed in first, right? So this represents West River. Okay, this is River's Edge. Okay, first place, second place, third place. Okay, so that's the matrix that's equivalent to the table, and we're gonna multiply that to the score matrix. That's 3 by 1. Okay, if you multiply this, we're gonna get the total score for the two teams. So for the first entry, you're gonna multiply this by this, 8 times by 5, 5 times by 3, 2 times by 1. 30, 27, 12. Okay, so multiplying this, because 8, right, individual persons score for first place and they each get 5 scores, so it makes sense that this is the correct number of scores, right, and so on with the second place and third place. So this is 55, 57 for West River for the individual event. This is 57 plus another 12, that's 69 points. Okay, this is for relay. Again, this is the West River and this is River Edge. The total score will be this times by this, that's 40 and 30. Okay, so this is for the relay. So pure total score, right? Total score matrix, we should say, is a sum of these two: 57, 69, 40, 30. Okay. So if you add these two, you get 97 and 99. You can see River Edge won. Okay. And then part B asks, what if you change the scoring weight of the score? So who will win if it was 5 and so instead of 3 it was 2? So 8, 5, 2, 6, 9, 12. If the scoring was weighted as 5, 2, 1. Okay, and then for the relay doesn't change. So we just need to recalculate this. Okay, so that's 40, 10, 2. It's just the middle value that will change, right? 18 here, 30 and 12. So 52, right? And then this is exactly 30, so 60. So if you do 52, 60 added with 40 and 30, the new sum of total score is 92 versus 90, and the other team wins if that's right. So West River wins.